This sum can be easily solved by just cross multiple. Okay, how to cross multiple? This numerator, this denominator, and this numerator, and this denominator. Let's see. Sin A into cosecant A plus cot A minus 1. Now plus cos A into this denominator. Secant A plus tan A minus 1 divided by secant A plus tan A minus 1 into cosecant A plus cot A minus 1. Okay, now multiple inside just sin A into cosecant A plus sin A into cot A minus sin A. That's all. Multiple everything. Now cos A into secant A plus cos A into tan A minus cos A. Okay, denominator also multiple inside. First secant A into cosecant A, then cot A minus 1, then take tan A, multiple cosecant A, cot A minus 1. Okay, let's do as it is. Secant A into cosecant A plus secant A into cot A minus secant A. Secant A term, that's all. Now tan A into cosecant A plus tan A into cot A minus tan A. I write here. Okay, remaining part minus cosecant A minus cot A minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 multiple this term. Okay, now what is our numerator? Sin A into cosecant A. We know that cosecant A what? 1 by sin A. Let's change first sin A into cosecant A as it is. Here cot A what? Cos A by sin A. First change sin A into 1 by sin A plus sin A. Cot A what? Cos A divided by sin A minus sin A. Okay, plus cos A. Secant A what? 1 by cos A plus cos A tan A sin A by cos A minus cos A remains same. Why we change sin, cos, this term, tan, cot? Let's see at the end of this video. Now here also change. What? Secant A what? 1 by cos A, cosecant 1 by sin A plus 1 by cos A into cos A by sin A minus 1 by cos A, secant A we know, plus sin A divided by cos A into 1 by sin A plus sin A divided by cos A into cos A divided by sin A minus sin A divided by cos A. Now minus cosecant A what? 1 by sin A. This remaining term I write here. What? Minus cos A by sin A and plus 1 remains same. See our numerator. This sin A get cancelled, this sin A get cancelled, this cos A get cancelled, this cos A get cancelled. See our denominator, what all get cancelled? This remains same. This cos A get cancelled, this sin A will get cancelled, this sin A can cancel, cos A also get cancelled, and remaining all only here. Shall I write? If this sin A or get cancelled, we have what remain? Just 1. Here see, plus cos A remaining, here minus sin A as it is, Cos A cos A get cancelled, what remain? Plus 1. Here sin A remaining and minus cos A. In denominator we see this remains same. This is 1 divided by cos A sin A. Shall I write that? This cos A get cancelled mean 1 by sin A remaining. Here 1 by cos A. Here also sin A sin A will get cancelled mean plus 1 by cos A. Here both are get cancelled mean plus 1 remaining. And see here minus sin A and cos A, these are all remaining. Minus 1 by sin A keep remaining. Minus cos A divided by sin A also. Oh sorry, yeah, sin A, I forget. This remain plus 1. Okay, this is denominator. See, plus cos A minus cos A get cancelled. Minus sin A plus sin A get cancelled. What is our numerator? 1 plus 1 just 2. See denominator part. Minus 1 by cos A plus 1 by cos A get cancelled. 1 by sin A minus 1 by sin A get cancelled. Here remaining 1 divided by cos A into sin A. Plus 1 mean plus 2 and minus sin A term divided by cos A minus cos A divided by sin A term. Okay. Our numerator 2 remains same. 1 divided by cos A into sin A plus 2 remains same. In this common minus I taken out mean sin A by cos A plus, if why I taken out minus outside, minus into plus minus, again term come to. Okay, now this term get cross multiple mean sin square A multiple numerator denominator multiple numerator denominator mean sin A into cos A, cos into cos square A, sin A into cos A. We know the sin square A, cos square A what? 1. Just apply here. Our numerator 2 remains same. Here 1 by cos A into sin A plus 2. This minus we taken out now. If we solve this equation come. This is we know 1 divided by sin A into cos A. See here minus 1 divided by sin A cos A plus 1 divided by cos A sin A. Both are same now. Shall I cancel this? If I cancel this, what I remain? Numerator also 2, in denominator also 2. These both are get cancelled mean 1. Finally we proved. Okay.